For decades, one planet has captured humanity's imagination: Mars, the red world. But what if we've been looking at the wrong planet all along? Just next door to Earth lies Venus, a world almost identical in size and gravity. So, why aren't we trying to live there? Why not colonize Venus instead of Mars? Part 1. Meet Venus, Earth's evil twin. Venus is often called Earth's twin. Same size, same density, almost the same composition. But that's where the similarities end. The surface of Venus is hell on Earth. Temperatures over 460 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The atmosphere? 90 times thicker than Earth's, filled with carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. The pressure alone would crush a human instantly. No sunlight reaches the ground, only a dim orange glow. So yes, on the surface, Venus looks hopeless. But what if we looked above the surface? Part 2. The floating cities. Idea. At about 50 kilometers above Venus's surface, something incredible happens. The atmosphere becomes almost Earth-like. Temperatures drop to about 30 degrees Celsius, and pressure becomes similar to what we feel at sea level. In fact, it's one of the most Earth-like environments anywhere in the solar system. Scientists have proposed floating cities, suspended in Venus's upper clouds, massive airships or blimps filled with breathable air, which actually floats in Venus's dense atmosphere. NASA even designed a concept called havoc, High-Altitude Venus Operational Concept, a mission where astronauts could live in cloud habitats, safely above the deadly surface. It sounds like science fiction, but it's entirely possible with technology we already understand. Part 4. The challenges. Still, colonizing Venus isn't easy. There are acid clouds, constant storms, and no solid surface to build on. Everything would have to float. We'd need materials resistant to corrosion, advanced energy systems, and perfect life support control. Even communication with Earth would be harder. The thick clouds block many signals. But none of these problems are impossible. They're just engineering problems, and humanity has solved harder ones before. Think about it. We've built machines that fly, dive, orbit, and land on other planets. Floating on Venus? It's not madness, it's the next logical step. Part 5. The philosophy of colonization. But the question isn't just, can we colonize Venus? It's, should we? Every time humans talk about colonizing another planet, we're really talking about escaping ourselves, our pollution, our mistakes, our history. But if we can't live sustainably on Earth, what makes us think we'll do better 40 million kilometers away? Maybe Venus isn't just a scientific challenge. Maybe it's a mirror, a warning of what happens when a planet's atmosphere traps too much heat, a glimpse of Earth's possible future. Why not exploring the impossible?